Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to remove background using GIMP. So we have loaded an image, then select the image, then go to the layers and then right click and then select add alpha channel. If your is grayed out, you don't have to worry. Then after that you have to go here and select this tool. You can also press U to select this tool. After that, scroll down and have this enabled, ticked. So tick this. Then after that we start removing the background. So select it and then click delete. Then select it again, then this click delete, and here again delete. So the idea is to remove all the places that you want to remove and press delete. So right now I'm just showing you this example, that's why I'm not going to do more work. Usually like you should zoom in and remove a lot of them, like so that the image looks much better. Okay, so now it's time to export. Go to the file and then click export as. Then we're going to save it on the home page, so we named it GIMP background test, and you have to save it as png file. Then click export. A new dialog will appear. Select these things and then click export. Now we have opened the GIMP background test. We should have done more background removal, but you get the idea of how to remove background using GIMP. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.